Okay, thank you for joining me. I finally got my the live stream to work. It was just some just had a download OBS. So now let's look at the severe weather threat for tomorrow. It looks like for tomorrow, the severe weather threat is going to be extensive. There's currently numerous severe thunderstorms in eastern Alabama. Actually, sorry, Mississippi. There's Alabama right there. I'm fairly tired. It's 12:49 a.m. So getting a little tired. Plus, I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I'll not be able to live stream tomorrow afternoon. Um, but I'm just letting you know that there's gonna be severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Seems like numerous supercells along the squall line, so there'll be numerous spin-ups tomorrow. The primary threat is going to be damaging winds. So there's going to be a squall line, developing. So the primary threat is going to be this damaging squall line that will pass through the area tomorrow. So this is what it looks like on NAM 3KM, NAM Nest. So this is what's going to happen tomorrow afternoon. There's a squall line. And those are updraft helicity swaths, so there's going to be some rotation with this. It's going to pass through rather quickly. It doesn't look like it's going to be a terrible outbreak, but some severe thunderstorms are likely tomorrow, especially as this front develops. It's slightly different from what HRRR had it. So yep, it's working. Yep, the live stream is finally working now. So looking at this right now, I'd say that there's going to be a few, I would say the main threat tomorrow will be damaging winds. So this is going to be primarily a damaging wind event. Unlike today, today was just, earlier today it was just horrible. It was just, my heart goes out to the people of Franklin, Texas, in Louisiana. There was several fatalities today, and in Louisiana today as well from another tornado that tore through. There was also a tornado in Vicksburg, Mississippi that damaged several stores. It wasn't a very powerful tornado, but it damaged Kroger, tore a roof off the supermarket. Also, there were several cars that were flipped over. It was pretty bad. It was really bad. And now let's look at the Tropical Tidbits website. Let's look at the at what the NAM is saying here. Looks like, so this is what the NAM was saying. So this is the low pressure center that created all this destructive weather, and it looks like it's going to bring some snow to the Chicago area tomorrow. A couple inches of snow is expected. I'm expecting between 3 and 5 inches tomorrow. Not 3 to 5, that's the highest. I'm expecting a general 1 to 3 inches, with as much as maybe 5 inches, at most. I'm not expecting any more than 5. There's the snow. Oh, I mean, there could be a few areas that get more, like could get up to 8, according to this run. But most likely, I think there's going to be. So, I mean, if this is going to be all snow, there is a potential for a few inches. So let's see wow, actually that's pretty impressive. I'm going to try to see what the HRRR is saying for tomorrow in Chicago. Wow, it's showing up to 9 inches, 10 inches in parts of Chicago. On April 14th, middle of April, to get so much snow in such a big city is very, very rare. I think this hasn't happened in years. So this is very unusual. Especially the blizzard that hit North Dakota, Nebraska, and Minnesota just the other day. I mean, they were really hit hard. They were just hit a few days ago. There's that blizzard that was departing. I mean, if you go, so let's go to Friday 18Z. You can see that the lingering low pressure center is still there. There is a departing blizzard. And on its heels, a severe weather outbreak. So, what I'm thinking right now, it is going to be primarily a damaging wind event. That's what I'm largely thinking right now. Damaging wind event. Hail is not very likely tomorrow. There could be some hail if there's enough instability, but it's going to be primarily a damaging wind and heavy rain event in the squall line. So yeah, that's pretty impressive. So let's look at the Mid-Atlantic now. This is let's go to simulated reflectivity. Let's take a look. Here's those storms. So here's the first round of storms. This is looking at the midnight run, so it's going to be going out further than the other runs. So this is what the midnight run showed. It's showing some pretty intense storms coming into near the New York City area and going right near Lancaster. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty intense. There's a bit of a lavender core there. That's a hail core there. I mean, let me try to reset it again. Alrighty, there we go. At 64 dBz, that's pretty high. That's definitely a hallmark indicator of some small hail. I mean, today it was just extreme. There was even hail up to 5 inches in diameter. For those of you who are watching David's live stream, I was watching it live, and there was a hail core up to 5 inches in diameter. That's larger than grapefruit size. I believe that is somewhere between grapefruit and no, that's larger than softball, actually. I think that's larger than softball size hail, because softball is 4.5 inches. That was greater than softball sized hail. That was actually true. And I think there were a couple of reports of softball sized hail. And wow, those are some really high helicity swaths. Sorry, changing the subject so quickly, but yes, there's definitely going to be a severe weather threat tomorrow. Hold on, let me see if there's any. Nope. Well, thank you for joining me. There's definitely going to be a threat of severe weather tomorrow. I'm also going to fix the resolution again. Let me just fix that. Alrighty. There we go. Yeah, I'm having... trying to fix the resolution of this. And thank you for joining me. I'm still trying to fix the size. Let me see. Yeah, let me go back here. Right, I think I fixed the problem. Let me, I'm gonna just go check again. Control room. Well, not doing so well. But there's actually no viewers right now, so, or two. Oh, yeah. This is not good. Well, it's my first stream. This is my first stream I've ever done like this. I used to use Google Hangouts, but, they've done away with that, so now try to see how it looks. Now that's good. That's good. Try to fix that again. Whoa, okay, yeah, yeah, that's a cool optical illusion, but that's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to fix the stream here. That's what I'm trying to fix here. I'm gonna make this fit to the screen. There we go. Now I think it should work better. Alrighty. Yeah, that's 1152 by 648. That's the problem I've been having. Thank you. Alrighty. Okay. Let's get back to what's at hand here. I'm gonna end the stream again because this stream is having difficulties. So the second stream won't have any technical difficulties because I'm gonna fix the resolution issue, and I will start it again in just a couple minutes. Just having some technical difficulties here, and thank you for thank you so much for sticking around and going through what for me is a very difficult time.